Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So to share your screen or content, the first thing that you want to do while you're in a meeting, in the meeting window, is to come up to the top menu bar and click on the Share Content button. That's this little rectangle with the arrow pointing up. Clicking on that is going to bring up the Share Content options, and you'll notice the first option here is to share your desktop. And so I am working with dual screens here, so I have the option to share screen number 1, which is the screen that's visible right now, or to share my second screen, which is just my desktop here. So clicking on this is going to share your desktop, and essentially what that means is that if you're switching through apps, you're opening Word docs or other files, the participants in your meeting are going to see all of that action. The second option is to share a specific window. Now, sharing a specific window means that the content that is displayed in a particular window is going to be locked. So for example, if I were to share this Word document here, participants will only be able to see that Word doc, and if I open a PowerPoint document, they're not going to be able to see that. So it's really just fixing the sharing of content to a specific window. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this particular Word document here. So I am now sharing this Word document in this meeting, and you'll notice that there's this red bar that appears around the Word document. That's sort of Microsoft Teams' way of indicating that you are sharing this particular window. Okay. And if I were to open the actual meeting here in a browser, so I've joined my meeting in this browser here, you can see that the participants are able to see that Word document. Okay. Now to stop sharing at any point in time, all you need to do is to click on the Share Content, and if you hover over it, you'll see that it now has a little X, and so clicking on this X is going to stop the sharing of your content. And again, at any point in time, if you want to start sharing content again, all you need to do is click on the Share Content button and then again select either your desktop or your particular window. All right, well that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please drop a comment and like the video below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and talk soon.